Two remote job platforms that is worth trying in 2026. In this particular video, I'll show you the two platforms which you can try in 2026 for yourself. And note that these platforms are actually legit. Nigeria economy is so bad to the extent that everybody tried their possible best to make a living for themselves, and I have took it upon myself on this channel to actually and constantly give you updates that is worth trying. And that is why we are going to talk about the two remote job platforms in this particular video. The first one right on the screen, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so right now. The first one right now is called the test.io. In this particular platform, you actually become a tester. It means you test applications. So right here it says work from anywhere. Test wherever you are, from your couch in your dorm to chair with beach view. Get exclusive look at new application from leading companies and innovative startups. Side hustle like your next big trip or your dream purchase depends on it. So right on this particular platform, what it means is that applications that are going to be released into the public, you can become a tester and test the application first and see if there's an error on it. You know some things from it. Doing a lot of reviews before it is being released to the public is what you do on test.io. I hope you understand that. It's just like a tester platform where you get a view of the first look of application before they get released into the public. So you can actually make a living from that also. That is what you do on this particular platform. So right, for you to get started, you need to come over to the platform called the test.io and tap on become a tester right here. So tapping on become a tester right here, so you can actually just tap here. So become a tester, and it's going to take you over right away. You're going to sign up as a tester on the platform. So you can sign up with Google or probably with your email and password right in here on it. So whichever one you want to do, you can just use this particular page. So it says Test.io is a crowd testing platform for both freelancer and EPAM tester who love improving software product. People from all over the world cover a wide range of devices, languages, and areas of expertise to provide high quality testing results to our customer 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That is how this platform actually operates. So these are the customers they actually have. You can see Sideshow, Drive Time, Code Academy. So these are the customers they actually have. They just feature them on this particular platform. SoundCloud, 1800 contacts, all of those platforms are their customers on this particular platform. And also let's go over to the second platform called OneFormer. So OneFormer is actually an AI remote job platform right here. So on this platform, it says join our diverse global community of experts. And this is where you actually teach AI stuffs. So from these are the kind of things they have: annotation, data collection, judging, transcribing, transcription, translation. You can see, let's view all the category right here which you can actually join from. So these are the jobs available. So you can see annotation right here, image quality evaluation. You can see all of these jobs are available. Audio recording, study, review and revise machine translation. All these are available right on the platform. And you can see video call data collection, native English audio recording study, in home video data collection, and you can see the rewards right in there. So you can go over to page 2 right here. Also you can see all of those tasks that are available. So these are available worldwide. If you see worldwide, this one is available for selected location, and you can see the pricing in front of it. So if you want to start on this platform, all you need to do is just come over to join. But firstly, let's go over to how OneFormer works. So on OneFormer, this is not a deep video about how this platform works. I just showing you platform you can actually join, which is good for side hustle. So to get started on OneFormer, you need to just tap on the join like I showed you before. So once you tap on join, you fill in your first name, last name, full legal name the way it is on your ID, email, country of residence, Nigeria. So Nigeria is right there, and you fill in your password and accept all of the terms and condition right in there. So once you accept all of the terms and condition, you can basically just sign up on the platform. So these are the two platforms that are worth trying in 2026. A lot of reviews, people actually getting some side income from those platforms right there. So it is right here, oneformer.com. Oneformer.com. Try it out today, and you can actually help you on the long run. So that is it, guys. That is all about those two platforms. We have test.io and we have Oneformer also. So try it out and let me know what you see about it in the comment section. I'm saying bye for now.